A smoker is similar to a grill, but it uses more smoke instead of direct heat to cook food and give a rich, distinctive flavor. Before using your smoker for the first time, cure it by lighting a fire in the firebox and heating the smoke to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius. Then turning it down to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, 107 degrees Celsius, and letting it smoke for several hours. This will burn off any contaminants and help season your smoker. For safety, set up the smoker outdoors somewhere away from the fire hazards and strong winds. There are a variety of fuels you can use for your smoker, but wood chips and charcoal are the best, most popular options. Woods like cherry, apple, and hickory all create distinctive flavors when you burn them, so experiment with different types until you find the one you like best. Just make sure to buy wood chips or coals that are meant for use in a smoker and are free of any dangerous chemical additives. To cook meat in a smoker, start by marinating the meat or coating it with a dry rub. Put the seasoned meat in your fridge in a sealed container overnight to let it soften and soak in the seasonings. When you're ready to start smoking, fill the smoker's firebox with your fuel of choice and light the fire. Follow the instructions that come with your smoker to find the right way to do this. Some smokers are electric, while others operate using gas, water, or just coals and wood. Once you've lit the fire, leave the vents open and let the smoker heat up for 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a temperature of about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius. Then turn the vents so that they're almost completely closed and let the wood or charcoal smolder. Depending on what you're cooking, aim to bring the temperature of the smoker down to somewhat between 180 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 to 135 degrees Celsius, and close the lid. As a rule of thumb, aim to smoke most meats for 1 to 1.5 hours for every 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms. As you cook, check the firebox occasionally and add more charcoal or wood chips as needed. Every 2 to 3 hours, turn the meat over and brush on some marinade to keep it moist. Check the meat for doneness 1 hour before the end of the cooking time to make sure it doesn't get overcooked. Keep in mind that smoking can give your meat a reddish tint, so use a meat thermometer to check for doneness instead of relying on how the meat looks. Try not to check the meat more than once or twice while you're cooking it, since opening the smoker too often will release too much heat and smoke and slow down the cooking process. When the meat is done the way you like it, remove it from the smoker and enjoy.